Hot Shot Secret has the perfect combination when it comes to the maintenance and protection of your vehicle with their two-step oil treatment. It starts with the Stiction Eliminator and the FR3 Friction Reducer. So step number one is you want to add the Stiction Eliminator in at your next oil change. It's a powerful cleaner and lubricator. It cleans the engine from the inside out, removing all the sticky varnish and deposits that have formed over time. This frees the engine up to work more efficiently. Stiction Eliminator reduces engine wear by up to 62% more than oil alone. It quiets the engine and smooths the idle. It increases fuel economy and restores power and compression. On this particular truck, we already did step number one at the last oil change. We're changing it again, so today we are on step number two. Step two is to add FR3 Friction Reducer at your next two oil changes. FR3 Friction Reducer protects it and it improves performance by using a carbon nano lubricant which attaches to the metal surfaces inside your engine. It fills in the microscopic blemishes for a smoother surface for significant wear protection and performance. FR3 Friction Reducer increases fuel economy and horsepower up to 5% each, and it reduces engine wear up to 42%. It also improves the host oil properties in terms of shear, oxidation, and thermal resistance. And the best part about it is Hot Shot Secret offers a money-back guarantee if the products do not live up to your expectations. Now, even better than that for us personally is the fact that recently we got to get out of the shop and go out to the racetrack and check out some of the real-world applications, real-world as far as very high-performance diesel racing vehicles goes, because Hot Shot Secret is very much involved in that. They sponsor the racing series, they sponsor a number of the drivers, and you get to go out there and you see what happens when the products are being used in these vehicles that are putting up 2,000 and 3,000 horsepower, and they are just abusing the vehicles and the products. And what you really take away from that at the end of the day is the fact that if these products are going to hold up in those vehicles at that level of abuse, they're going to hold up for you as well.
This tech tip is brought to you by Hot Shots Secret, powered by science.